EPCs in buildings, similarly to the energy labels for appliances, rate the buildings from A to G. That makes citizens to better understand what it means. It also gives information about the energy consumption, and it gives information and advice on how to upgrade your building regarding the energy efficiency. It also gives transparency to the market, to the property market, because it helps buyers and tenants to make better informed decisions based on the energy consumption of the building. The Commission is now thinking in the next steps of EPCs and has created a new mechanism that is the Building Renovation Passport that is linked to the EPCs, but it provides more advanced information. It gives like roadmaps or strategies to improve your building, including the cost and the possible payback periods and financial mechanisms that will help you in order to upgrade your building. So that makes that the energy renovation will be boosted better with this kind of mechanisms, helping the EPCs to be better penetrated in the market. The measures that you apply in the buildings are not specifically relevant. The thing that is really important is the order, in the order that you apply the measures. For example, you need first to reduce the demand of energy of your building in order to better size the systems that you are going to install. So the first thing to be done is to install, for example, insulation or better windows, so you reduce the demand of energy and you improve the comfort of the people living in. Then, once you have done that, you can upgrade the heating and cooling systems so that they are more efficient, including the last technologies, and it's especially important that they are powered by renewable energy. All these phases implemented in this order will make you to upgrade your building and obtain a better letter in the energy certification system. The smart technologies are not especially reflected in the EPC assessment because it's not the criteria that they took into account when they designed the procedure, but now the European Commission is proposing a new indicator that is the Smart Readiness Indicator, that is a new assessment that is performed into the building in order to assess the smartness of the building. So it is evaluated the adaptability of the building, the user friendliness and the energy efficiency. It will help the building owners, the building managers and also policymakers to know the level of smartness of the building stock in order to take better informed decisions on that level. And technologies that could be related with this indicator could be, for example, the electrical vehicle chargers that could be installed in the buildings, or also a occupancy sensor or light control system, for example, that will be included in such indicator. I'm working at the Valencia Institute of Building, that is a foundation, a non-profit, and that work for the Valencia government. So we are working in a lot of initiatives to improve the quality and the sustainability of the building stock, and especially related with the energy efficiency, we have created a platform in the context of a Horizon 2020 project that is Remodulis. This platform is called Renueva, and it's a geographical information system based that where citizens can look for the buildings, just putting the address or selecting from a map, and they can know the estimated consumption the building has and possible improvements they can make based on the age of the building and the area where it is placed. This gives information also on the possible aids that they can take from the government, the next generation funds that we have available in our country. So giving them information on the possible financial mechanisms and also the possible improvements has boosted the energy renovation in our country. We are also working on a project, live project, that is called One Click Reno, that will improve this platform, going one step further, that is completing a building renovation passport for that building. That is the next step for the EPCs. And we are finally working also in a project that we are leading, that is IEPB. That is a project that tries to synchronize the different assessments that are performed into a building, like for example the EPCs or the Smart Readiness Indicator or the Building Renovation Passport, in order to simplify the chain or the process for the assessment of the buildings, completing just one assessment and being able to transfer to the public administration or the citizens all the data once, and not having different assessments from different places coming. So that's the main initiatives we are performing right now.